Yo, what's poppin'? It's your girl Just Tay, and if you didn't know, now you know. Welcome to Tayee TV, okay? The daily drop where mom life meets main character energy. What's happening, JC? Y'all, we getting ready to go eat. Y'all haven't opened up the vlog or nothing. Then we finna get ready and go eat, y'all. Just wanted to open it up so we can go and get this day started. Y'all, we been chilling. You know, hold on, don't fall off the curb. Let me call it, talk to you driving away when I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I cried. Carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. Okay, it's time to Golden Corral, y'all. Little buffet. Yeah, look at Daddy. Look at him, y'all. He done ate everything, mashed potatoes, the chicken bone. First trip, act like he. Well, he done ate at Golden Corral.
Just look at this. Just look at it. Outfit number one gone.
Outfit gone. Y'all, we just left Golden Corral, y'all. The baby just had a whole blowout. My mom and them had to change him, y'all. Whole blowout. What's that? He's so high, y'all. Yeah, we can go to Walmart. I know I have not been vlogging, y'all. Yeah, we've been doing so much. We've just been chilling and doing. My hair look a mess. I got this dry. We've been just chilling. Everything. As we left Golden Corral, y'all, we went back home. We was chilling. Everybody was just full. So we are now going to Walmart because we're going to the Arch. We're going to the Arch. I'm out of breath. I love my camera dirty, but we're going to the Arch so we can see the fireworks. I'll check back in. Well, I tried to come back. They had it yesterday. They ain't got it today. Ain't this some shit? Let me find my auntie, y'all. It's been so much going on, y'all. We just been enjoying family time. Priceless time. Just priceless. I gotta call my auntie now. Yeah, we've been having a wonderful time enjoying our family time, y'all. This is one of the greats. Our baby, y'all, let me tell y'all, when we was in Golden Corral, y'all, this man was fussing because he wanted a chicken bone, mashed potatoes. He ate everything, y'all. And then when we left out, he had a bowel movement, y'all. My mom was changing his diaper in the passenger side, y'all. Only to turn around, this man started boo-booing while she changed him. And one stop, had a whole blowout. It was crazy. We was in here trying to help him because she already had the diaper. It was a lot. I was looking for you. Yeah, it was a mess. What is so funny? Yeah, baby's not playing. He getting the outfits out. Okay.
You got everything sure? Within
Yep.
5 hours.
Want you to stop by the store?
Yeah, you pay?
Go. I'll give you a tip, man. If I got $2 miles, I might
Who
do
has
that.
the C charger?
We can go buy some bottle of this bitch.
Yeah, we made it out.
Stage, there's a whole bunch of shit.
Yeah, we out here. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, there's so many people out here.
Watch out.
Oh, my bad. And then on the other side is the stairs. It's on the other side. But we looked up and got these good seats right here, okay? Let me show y'all the baby.
I was already, he said the show would be at 10. I was like, okay, 10:40 minutes.
Yes,
Take an off guard.
I got you. And then the city hall behind us. Usually it be so empty. It's crazy. I didn't know this many people come here for this. For the 4th. Dang, they got a whole setup right there, y'all. Look. Holy shit. They got a whole setup. You see them, babe? Daddy come back with a box full of stuff. Mike come back with a box full of stuff. What's that, baby? What is that? Ooh, you lying. I'm finna eat 2 on now. I'm finna eat it now, baby. You get a spoon with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it for the free ski.
Down at the bottom.
Alright. We're gonna eat it now. Look at them face. D-Bud! Whoa! D-Bud! Look, he trying to get up. D-Bud! He getting confused with your light this one. I'm scared. I don't know how he gonna act. Y'all, it done started.
Money, there was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still love me? If I'm in my word, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it, got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder lean, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas, I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I think in this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
Now the fireworks show is over. And we waiting on the Uber. We waiting on the Uber, y'all. The baby's asleep. He knocked out. We're waiting on the Uber. We're gonna go back to the house, y'all. It's hot. Okay. Mama, I see y'all. Don't move your hand up now, because your head was a little bit further, Dee Dee.
I was working my way down to my knee.
He plays so. Minutes later. What's happening? What's poppin', JT gang? Alright, before we wrap up today's vlog, you already know I gotta leave y'all with a Tay thought of the day. Like, come on. You know, something to sit with, sip on, or even speak into tomorrow. So let that marinate on you, okay? Let that marinate on you. And that's that. Stay real, stay grounded, and always protect your energy. I love y'all. See y'all in the next JULOG. Alright, I'm out. Peace.
First thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out. I just hopped out looking like a knockout.